Looking for an air compressor? I purchased the California Air Tools Ultra Quiet Air Compressor. I'm going to review it. Let's go. First off, I have no affiliation with this company and I'm not getting paid by them. I'm doing this review because I really like this product. I've owned mine for about 2 years and it's completely maintenance free. You don't have to add oil, just plug it in and it goes. This is the 8-gallon model. It has these back wheels to cart it around, but if you need to carry it, it's not that heavy. They say it's about 48 pounds. Watch, I'll slam it on my toe and I'll be kind of okay. I can run through the specs for you, but I'll point out a few things, how it works, and do a noise level sample. But if you want to get into the dirty details, I'll leave a link in the description. Before I go any further, help out the channel and subscribe. And if you like the video, let me know by giving me a thumbs up. I think one of the big selling points is how loud or actually quiet it is. The spec says 60 dB. Well, what is 60 decibels? I downloaded an app from my phone and adjusted the app to roughly 0 dB, which I had to set minus 30 for the needle to hover around 0. To show the difference, here's a test of me talking.
Testing, 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 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3.
You'll see just regular speech, it reaches about 30 dB.
1, 2, 3.
When I turn the compressor on, it's about the same as having a regular discussion. Let's take a closer look how to use this. It has a standard 1/4 air outlet with quick connector for fast hose changes. To turn this on, just flip the switch and the motor runs. The spec says it takes 60 seconds to get to 90 psi and 165 seconds to fill the tank. Personally, I haven't had an issue with it filling too slow. This red knob is an adjustment for the maximum PSI you want until the motor stops. As you're using air and it gets down to a certain level, the motor will kick back on to fill the tank back up to the adjusted pressure. There is also an air pressure release valve to adjust the air pressure that's already in the tank. There's a valve on the bottom to release all the air when you're finished. They say it's not good to leave air in the canister for a long period of time because condensation builds up. Leaving water in the tank over time can rust and weaken the integrity of the tank. At the end of every job, I just empty it out and leave the valve open to make sure it can dry out. Good quality braided lines, and on the back is the air intake with a muffler. If you're questioning how far I have the phone from the unit, I'll just rest it right on top. So what do I do with this? I run this impact wrench to take off tires off my vehicles, no problem with enough air. I fill up air in the car tires, fill up pool rafts, and other things. Some high-end users would say low-end stuff, but they have bigger compressors for larger jobs. For miscellaneous tasks, this has been perfect for me. Hope this helps. Let me know what you think, and don't forget to support the channel and subscribe.